Check out this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche Lt. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: rear defrost, AM/FM stereo, rear head airbag, rear bench seat, Bluetooth connection, driver illuminated vanity mirror, power passenger seat, satellite radio, and rear parking aid. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.